Here's a new 2023 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Versatility, sophistication, sportiness. It doesn't just do a little of each. It's the Golf that goes big on going big. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Auto shift manual transmission, sport suspension, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated steering wheel, streaming audio, heated sport bucket front seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.